In this video I will show you how to edit blue streak filter using Lightroommobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password that appears in the upper right corner as a card. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast to -40. Highlights bring to -80. Shadows to +60. White to -100. Black to +30. Go to curve and follow the steps. And done. Next go to color. Temperature to +25. Tint to +30. +50 for vibrance. And saturation to -25. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to -15. Saturation to -15. And luminance to -20. Next go to orange. Saturation to +15. And luminance to +25. Next go to yellow. Hue and saturation to -100. And luminance to +40. Next go to green. Hue and saturation to -100. And luminance to +40. Next go to aqua. Hue to -60. Saturation to -60. And luminance to -30. Next go to blue. Hue to -8. Saturation to -50. And luminance to -15. Next, go to purple. Hue to +60. Saturation to -80. And luminance to -60. Saturation to -100. And done. Next, go to effects. Texture to +10. Clarity to +60. Dehaze to +15. Vignette to -30. Midpoint and feather to +60. Go to split tone. Bring the hue to 250 and saturation to 30 of highlights. And hue to 200 and saturation to 20 of shadows. And done. Next, go to details. Sharpening to 10. Noise reduction to 25. And color reduction to 30. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.